chinyu mutangani wo mwaka bw'ekiri bibere emirongo ibere n'etano no kwegana kwa ni mwanchu murigererio Gatembe TV nakyo ekyonga kyo mwamugusi nogendete kwego kya wetera emirobero yabere kugokera sembe ase chinsa cyabana nakwaryaniri ase MSI ya magana maya ekyonge weekend chinsa 10 erinde tonyare kurigereria narari ayu abere kawataka ime naisiko yorogongo rwabusi amareta njuli kerbo oyo kaina kebuna chibi chane ryo gingo gochira chira sencha yo boekerano nigakoro kwa Havira Kariri wego yole mega yechi kamera nigakoro kwa Wilfred Matundra. Job bitange uyo kabairo moraria kurase ekenyoro kya karantini ase wadi agesime bunge akitutu masabe kaunti ya Nyamira nigo bona sokiri na kwegore skuru ekoroka renda school yore inse yo moroberio OCBC korengana na job niga bateba nige skuru yo erachi koligereria omwana umunyaruka
nomugakone nintuto ansete skuru eye nande etwa yansete kerenge kenene nogo konya abaisike baito iga ikagusi abaisike baito abanyarire bagutigumega samasomo nyarire bagwetera emechanda bakosoka mapema banyomu mapema abande mbalikwegu priority yogo tangana gosomigu omomurana bakwegu dibagasome kobo moiseke rituko amatukari abo yo motienyi nkonyora bare chinga kichingo ngwasenge nchomba bwati ebinto biri bibwenerete gotumia nande mbabwati amasomo ali akogera bamanyana ki bakwenyara kwerenda matukali kwanyora banyorira amarwera wao ayubatamanyeti ngagocha me asengencho yobo chafu ose bata singatietio obo chenu chinga kiechyo
abwa somo murega siae mono moneta beti mugondo maybe no korenda chombe gwoka so etorega iga gokonya abaisekera kino etuganiti toko endra gochubosina otra siko ja 40 nabamura ororo esengencho nabamura nabarabunto kwente ko bakonya bonsi ntote gokonya community engima
na hii nimeona hapa nimekubali na mimi na support ya kwamba watoto wetu wasichana waendelee na hii masomo
inkoira ninga eskure renda mbiyamana sogocha mwese besa ria singe jibu ya eskure abantu abange ni bamenyeta no botaka eskure ye nere supported kuruichi jesiko na muro cheriteri koro kurenda emenetinga no kurenda kusugo tugekera omwana igo togo sabanga abantu be community yetu anja moto abana asinge nja bari mu berure.
Great to be here and have partners with Sheena and Nancy to see Renda come alive, and we believe in the phases. This is just phase 1.
As you might know, wherever you are in the world, if you educate a girl, it changes the village, it changes the country, and
Chindaki abasubati wasabana abanyaruka bagendete gusegetwa wesokya iri korengwa aso uburiro bwa kansa nigo umusubati Purity aboriri abasubati nabana abanyaruka wesokya iri kurigererwa mapema ukwana nigeta seni kya Gatembe nigo Purity asaba barayi gukwanirengana neyo iri korenda egesaku kyamambi
Purity Murakirera Director of Kenya. Buna mumanyete ewiki ya beire ewiki yoko create awareness on cervical cancer and twensinto manyete nga cancer ya beire umunyamumube so ndete go encourage abangi na bonsi ge negento getorengete ntuna abangi tosoke tugende tulingolibo nabono Kisi Teaching and Referral Hospital General Valley babwate programu eyo bakoringoria bare besokire nande ayo yo tarasoka bakigenda uringurigo umaite munabangina oro iboro asabana bako iborerwa negento kirekyomo kirekya muhimu sana sobugima bwaito gekora no obugima bwo guchakira nande mbuya we take care of that segontete gusaba akitosoke twensi n'abangina nje nakorire yane naringorigo na nganyeta ama chibwane ngokora ndegente kiga kiru mwaka nkogenda naringorigo bono ntete gusegeta gaki abangina bonsi pipipi bagusi mosoke mogende muringorigo KTRH ngo favorite services ichi nande buna baraintete to encourage us leaders, all the women leaders, all the leaders from everywhere to call a mentorship to our girls. Most of our girls right now, especially who are sexually active, so that we are able to prevent this monster. Mkuba sabagaki, county ya Kisii, make those things available for our women. Banyore koba very easy available so that we cut this monster of cancer.
Nigobono umurai wense umuske Dr. William Ruto amwaliganirie umurai wense ya Guinea Bissau Umaro Sisiko ase enyumba yoborari imeye county ya Nairobi ase Umalo Sisco aboriri gosata birabona nachikoria eireria irete abantu bense yaye buna nachiko bwata koboko umuskera ilodinga asekerugo kerikia AU.
Thank you most sincerely for supporting Kenya's candidature of the Africa Union Commission, as I informed you earlier last year, and to in a very special way recognize your efforts in not only supporting the Honorable Raila Odinga, but also canvassing support for him in Western Africa. We very sincerely thank you, Mr. President, for that friendship and brotherhood that you have demonstrated.
I've come to Nairobi to reaffirm my commitment to strengthen the relations between our two countries, cooperation and peoples as well. President Ruto and I have decided to bring our two countries closer together, create an environment and conditions to enable commercial exchanges.
Abarai bamumu bwazimio bakoragwa n'umuske Kalonzo Musyoka nigo bono bamuburira umurai wense umuske William Ruto kobeka emerobero ya bwango yokorosia ekyombe keryetenenere tobochori bwechimbebe IEBC.
One day we hope to come up with a very clear statement on what's going on in the meantime within the IEBC secretariat itself. There are terrible things going on there, like procurement. And they're testing the ground. We gather there's somebody, a former commissioner sitting as an advisor in State House, who is giving instructions to the IEBC secretariat. The country is watching and they're testing waters. If we allow them to go on with the procurement, the next thing they want to do is even procure election materials for 2027.
Ni vyema William Ruto hakikisha kwamba ABC commissioners are in place kwa haraka ili aweze kunyoroshwa na opposition ambayo inaongozwa na Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Hii haitakuwa mambo ya yai ili anachorwa na hii ni kupagusa kabisa. Na ni asubuhi mapema amekaa akilialia mambo ya yai, sasa agoje kunyoroshwa na Kalonzo mwenyewe.
William Ruto has no excuse but to proceed and do the needful. The country is waiting. We have started the third year of this administration, and we must start making the necessary preparations for the next elections.
Waziri w'oburendi bw'ime umuske Kipchumba Kipkomen nigo bona tebire nabegeto oburendi bw'isaine asinsemo chicha North Rift kubatekana no bwibi bwetugo asatebire buna obekiremero berio yiriera chigosiri obwibi bwetugo se abamenyi bensemeri ya North Rift na Baringo bayireira yogo chikumubwatesia eriko beka obomo ase ensemeyu
in Elgeyo Marakwet, the other day in Baringo, but I am very confident that this is the last part of the work we are doing to make sure that we get rid of all these elements that have terrorized the citizens of this country for many years.
Kwamba baada ya hiyo imesimika, tunataka kufanya mikutano kati ya jamii zote mbili ili kuwa na sustainable coexistence.
I can tell you that we had a meeting of leaders from Kerio Valley, all the way from Elgeyo Marakwet, from West Pokot, from Turkana, Laikipia, Samburu, Baringo on the other day, and we all agreed that we are going to deal with this problem with a finality.
Tumewaelewa. Munajaribu kuona kama Kipchumba Murkomen atareact na manakani. Ndio munafanyia mic testing watu ya Baringo North na watu ya Elgeyo Marakwet. Kuwa watu na kuchukua mali yao. This government under William Ruto and the security forces in Baringo here that the government has provided, we shall deal with criminals and bandits up to their
Gobono umoroberio kusip sobere go kwigorwa gecha saboro kiwa bali bakoreta amatemu yo mwako eta 2024 go chigo kwigora gase wa apply chikosi inse ya kusips ni go ba kwa na bali ba chikorora amatemu yo mwako eta aso mwako yo mbali bagalio go irorera amatemu go se wa apply as kusips yo umutinyi okianda nabo igane go batebire bali babete bakora amatemu abo go chakira umwaka gwekiri bwibere bwiko umwaka gwekiri bwibere nemeronge bere nenye mbabwateri bagana barobulyo goswa sensemeyu ya kusips boigoni go baburiri buna batebire buna KMTC yanyoreri bagalio komenta chi campus chinyinge hasensemeri ya Kerio Valley marmanti na boigo malsabita sabana bali bonsi aboroki bakoreta amatem baburiri kubeka umoroberio yo se apply umoro as a portal ya kusips muna www.kusips.ac.ke aseboigo abo bisabali batenerete kusips bachikobe kwa asich county Jonsi elio koligereri muna aboroki babonsi babeide bakochora chikosi chirichiranyare kubakonya. Humancho morigereria ekionga chinsa kominoto ge kokorera abu ke koraga chinsa ibere na chinsa nye chabo tukono chikonyara mangana mange asenjano senko batembia soko ikena emerobere yeito na inde mpaka chinga kechinde genda gutwara uborigereria buya kwenge na inche Julie Kerubo orione kebuna chibicha neryo gincha wikira senchira yo wikira nuni genkoro kwa Havira Kalili boigo ese chinsa mochiche kamera ni genga koro kwa Wilfred Matondra.
Getemba Television ekionga kia Mwamogusi.